Hi everyone, this is the second example of chapter 5, the subsection on telescope. This is also the last example from this chapter over here. First, let's read the question. So, question 111. The sun diameter is 1.4 million kilometer and its distance from the earth is 150 million kilometer. When observing the sun using a special telescope, you find that the angle of its telescopic image is 1.6 degree. Given that the focal length of the eyepiece of the telescope is 1 centimeter, find the focal length of the objective. Now, as always, let's write the relevant information first. We're told that we are given the diameter of the sun. It's 1.4 million kilometer. Now note here, I wrote the radius instead, the radius of the object. In this case, the object is the sun, because that's the value we will need in the formula. So basically, it's simply the diameter of the sun divided by 2. Then we got DO, which is the distance of the sun. It's 150 million kilometer, or 1.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 11 meter over here. We are also given the angle formed by the image. It's 1.6 degree. We are told the focal length of the eyepiece is 1 centimeter or 0.01 meter. Now, basically, what we want to do here is we want to find this angle over here. Once we have this angle, combined with the angle of the image, we can find the magnification. Once we have the magnification, it's plug and play to find the focal length of the objective. All right, so let's start by finding this angle over here. So the angle of the object is equal to the inverse function of tan of the opposite side, in this case the radius of the object. So 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 8 divided by the distance of the object, 1.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 11. And we get 0.2676 degree in this case. Now, if we want to find the magnification, we take the angle of the image divided by the angle of the object. So 1.6 divided by 0.2676. This gives us exactly 6, or really close to 6 actually. It's a 5.99 something. So that means our magnification is 6. That means the relationship between the focal length of the eyepiece and the objective has to be a factor of 6. So that means, I'm not sure if you can see, so I'm gonna erase the top part just to make sure everyone sees the answer. So take a moment to pause the video if you need to write this down. I'm gonna erase that section just to finish the question. So basically we know magnification is equal to 6 is equal to minus focal length of the objective divided by the eyepiece. So the eyepiece is 1 centimeter. So that means focal length is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, as you see in the question on telescope, they are not too difficult. This one we just need to take into consideration like the apparent size of the object itself, its distance to find the angle of the object. But everything else is the same. All right, guys, so we are done with chapter 5. The next video will be on chapter 6 and 7 combined. All right, so have a good day. See you next week.